Come test drive the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.